I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file using Claude. No tools, no software needed. Just type what you want and Claude does the rest. Let's go. First, head over to Claude.ai and make sure you're logged in. You'll land right on the chat screen. This is where everything happens. Now click the message box down here and type your prompt. Tell Claude exactly what you want in the PDF. So for example, I'm asking Claude to create a resume PDF for a software engineer. You can change this to anything, a report, a guide, an invoice, whatever you need. Once you're done typing, just hit enter or click the send button. And just like that, Claude processes your request and generates the PDF for you. You'll see it pop up right here in the chat as a file you can download. See this? That's your PDF ready to go. Click the download button and it saves straight to your computer. Open it up and there it is, a fully formatted PDF created in seconds. Now, if you want to make any changes, just tell Claude in the same chat. For example, type something like, "Can you add a project section and make the font size a bit larger?" Claude will update the PDF and give you a new version right away. No need to start over, just keep refining until it's exactly how you want it. That's it. That's how easy it is to create a PDF with Claude. Just describe what you want, download it, and you're done. Try it out and let me know what you made. See you in the next one.